Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP Search 101. Today, we will be showing you how to search for servers that provide OpenVPN service using Criminal IP's Asset Search. OpenVPN is an open-source virtual private network system. It creates secure VPN connections over the Internet using a custom security protocol that utilizes SSL and TLS. More than 60 million downloads have been made so far. Using Criminal IP, we can search for VPN server's IP address and see what servers are providing OpenVPN. This can be done by searching the keyword OpenVPN with the double quotation marks using the product filter. As you can see here, we can see that this specific IP address is being used as a VPN IP. If you scroll down below, we can see that the port of this IP address is operating under OpenVPN. OpenVPN, like all open sources, is a system used by many people because of its low cost and convenience. However, at the same time, it has many vulnerabilities that are frequently targeted by hackers. You can search for relevant vulnerabilities by searching OpenVPN on Criminal IP's exploit search. By using exploit search, companies and individuals operating OpenVPN servers can check for server vulnerabilities and ensure the security patches are updated to the latest version. We will see you again next time with another search tip.